Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your touchpad gestures are not working properly on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in Device Manager. Best result should come back with Device Manager. Go ahead and open that up. Go underneath the section that says mice and other pointing devices and double click on it. Locate your mouse, right click on it, select uninstall device, select uninstall. And now at this point go ahead and restart your computer, which if you tap the Windows key on your keyboard and then using your arrow keys go over to the power icon, hit enter, and then scroll down using your arrow keys and select restart and then hit enter. If you're unable to use your touchpad keys on your keyboard, you can just go ahead and just do a power off using the power button icon and then just relaunch or reboot your computer. And once you restart into Windows, it should automatically reinstall the drivers. And then hopefully at this point you should be good to go. If you're still having a problem, you can open up the search menu and type in CMD, best match. Should come back with command prompt. Right click on it and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now I will have a command in the description of my video. I want you to copy it and then go up the top bar of the command prompt window here. Right click on it, select edit and paste it in and hit enter. Select the advanced button and apply repairs automatically. Select next. Give us a moment to run. Go ahead and select. I recommend following along with its suggestions that it provides here. And then once that's done, go ahead and close out of here. And I would suggest restarting your computer one more time. And there you go, guys. Once you're finished, hopefully that was able to help resolve the problem. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.